In today's video, I'll show you how you would be able to cut and trim video in Premiere Pro. So let's get started. So in here, we have the sample video, and there are many ways on how you could cut or trim here in Premiere Pro. So first one is that you could use the dragging method, which is this one right here. So you just basically want to locate your clip and then just drag the end point and then the starting point right here, depending on how you would want to cut it right there, so that you'd be able to cut it from the beginning or from the end. Now, another way is that you could also use the razor tool. You can click here on the razor tool right here, under tools right here. Click on that, and then you could now just click here anywhere on that clip that you would want to cut or trim. For example, here in the middle. And now we have now divided that into two clips with just one click. And now we can reposition that however we'd want. And now another method that you could do is that you could position your playhead somewhere in your clip. So where you'd want to cut, so let's say somewhere in here. And now from here, you want to press the Control plus K on your keyboard. And then you will now be able to cut it just like so. And now lastly is that you'd also be able to trim this using in and out points. So you could go and drag it into the source tab. So we have the source tab in here, drag it there. And from here, you'd now be able to see the in and out points in here. So you could also press I in your keyboard to set the in point and then the out point in here. And then you'd now be able to see it being cut right there. So yeah. Those are all the ways on how you'd be able to cut and trim here in Premiere Pro. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one.